Question 2. Benny had 20% more books than Mick. If Benny gives 65 books to Mick, Mick will have the same number of books as Benny. So how many books did Benny have? So first thing we want to do is write this percentage in the form of a fraction. So fraction will always have a denominator of 100 when it comes to percentages. And a simplified fraction of this would be 6 out of 5. So we know that Benny has 6 and we know that Mick has 5. Okay, so let's write this out in a ratio. We know that at first, Benny to Mick would be 6 to 5. And we know that in the end, Mick will have the same number of books as Benny. This means that their ratio would be 1 to 1 because they have the same number. Okay, so we realize that this is actually an identical total question because Benny gives books to Mick. So the total of Benny plus Mick doesn't change from the beginning and in the end. So let's create one more column for each ratio called B plus M. So 6 plus 5 gives us 11 and 1 plus 1 gives us 2. So since these two variables are the same, we need to make their total number of units the same as well. So between 11 and 2, their common multiple is 22. So how do we get 22 from 11? We multiply it by 2. So let's do the same for the rest of the blue ratio. 6 times 2 gives us 12 and 5 times 2 gives us 10. And how do we get 22 from 2? We multiply it by 11. So do the same for the green ratio. 1 times 1 gives us 11. Okay, so now that B plus M has the same number of units on both sides, we can compare their at first ratios and in the end ratios. So we know that Benny gave 65 books to Mick. So the number of units Benny lost is equals to 65. So 12U minus 11U represents 65. So 1U represents 65. So the question is asking for how many books Benny had in the beginning. So that would be 12U. So number of books Benny had in the beginning would be 12 units, which is 12 times 65. And this gives us 780. So this is your final answer.